I'm going to be doing a room tour of this like tropical themed master bedroom. Okay, if you want to see how I redid this room, you can go to my last video because it shows a transformation of what it used to look like and what it looks like now. Okay, so starting here, this is the coolest part of the room. It has like this little deck that you can walk out on. Loki has like a little balcony thing, except for it's on the first floor, so it's not really like a balcony. But I don't know, it's pretty cute. And we have these curtains on it. They're from Walmart. Next, we have this dresser. This dresser is like 80 years old. I have no idea where it's from. On top of the dresser, we have this gold plant that I got from Five Below. The mirror I got from Goodwill, and the other plant I got from Goodwill. Then moving on to the bed. I think the bed is from like Ashley's Furniture, but I'm not sure about that. It's like probably like 10 years old, maybe more than that. The thing above the bed picture, I don't know where that's from. That's also really old. The comforter is from Big Lots, and the bigger pillows are from Big Lots, and then the one gray pillow that's like small is from Big Lots, and then the other pillows are from Goodwill. So then we have this little wall decor section. The one on the top right is from Five Below. The one in the middle and the one on the bottom left are frames from Hobby Lobby that I took construction paper from Joann Fabric and I like put them in there. Then the ones with the shells on them I got from Goodwill. Then we have this bookshelf. The bookshelf is like 20 years old, so I don't know where it's from. The TV, I also don't know where it's from. I'm assuming probably like Walmart or Best Buy. The one frame with the leaves on I got for the room decoration. That was also from Goodwill. And then the other frames we've had for a long time. Okay, so for this art, one of them is a picture of my dad as a baby. So I don't know, it's probably from my grandma like literally like 100 years ago. The other pictures, I think my mom got one of those at like an auction. And the other one I have no idea, but we've had that one for a really long time, I think. So I don't know where those are from. Then we have this bookshelf, which is also attached to a dresser. I have no idea where this thing is from. It is so old. Like, I'm telling you, this stuff is like 30 years old. Probably not that old, but still really old. Then we have this lamp that I got from Goodwill. So that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. Actually, okay, if you don't have a Bitmoji, I probably won't add you back because those kind of scare me. But yeah, that is the end of my video. Goodbye. Please subscribe. Okay.